bother with it no more. Me have to show it. Me uncomfortable. Rose enough gift me lose for you. Rose, when the people say no what, remember Rose, I miss the woman. I miss the woman in a dance in a Rose. And tell the woman say we want to go to England, you know. Me die, man, you know. Rose, any show me get me tell the people say me a your par. Me say to you say Rose, me a try get you up a TikTok cause someday TikTok go crash. You can't let your talent pan TikTok, me go take it out a road. Any little show me get, me say I'm a Rose a par. When Boom Boom call me for host, Boom Boom, I mean one Boom Boom call for host. Me say Boom Boom put Rose Panny call me a Rose. And Boom Boom say yes, me say yeah, Rose apart. Everything me say put Rose Panny. Everything then come but me say put Rose Panny. And me say the woman na Boom Boom dance England woman. And call the woman and say Serena what you do? You not keep one love series with your England and the woman saying go think about you and call you back. When you when everybody a name off your head, when me there half a tree, when the people them video me and say, oh, filter come up on my face, me a cuss for you. You they look close at me out and do a cuss for you. You know, the woman catching afraid. I said them a calling and I say, boy, me no never go keep the show. Me have something say, me never go keep the show. What you mean by that? Rose have to come. The woman called me and said to me, say, Dyma and Jaden good at everything. Me tell the woman say we are Jaden good. The woman say have Jaden number, me give the woman Jaden number. I when Jaden and Hakim them not good. Me not type of people work. Me not type of people. I find Jaden professional and willing for me not no problem. Me not type of people work. And me could tell the woman say, they not good and me not do that. And then all your minions them come out and go talk about oh me wicked and me this and me that. And Ray. And me a Rose moving a Phoenix Park chat. Me a Rose furniture. Me no know where Rose a go live in and me get my key before Rose, you know. All me they ask Rose say, Rose where you go live whiskey? Rose say no know whiskey because I know him rent the place, whatever. Me no want call everybody name. Seeing? When me go buy my bedroom set, Rose come they come see me. The truck we go in at the truck but the two we close together, right? When we go so bam so, we don't know what they happen. When we go so bam so, and we did it, and the truck man can we furniture them come. Me make Rose furniture drop off first, cause Rose when they at the front and me when they run at the back. Rose not tell me when go live now, me no know nothing. Every day me say Rose, how you go live? Rose say no know where yet. Me say I na Hakim them. Me say I na Hakim them scheme. Rose say no know. Me get me key long before Rose. When Rose do get the key, Rose say, I in this key. Me look in we in there. Toto them the par Rose for me. No know what can I mix up I go with spicy. Some mix up when I go with Toto them and spicy them. Rose goes so bam, Hakim and the whole line friend them did it for sure say Rose go like him can't show me up. And Rose can't show me up. I try me rate Rose come in a suck girl pussy. I mean not take this fan girl. I try me rate Rose more when Rose talk to me rough, me just hold it down. Me just hold it down and just know say Rose a mad girl and more time I pay Rose the mine. Me never that make Rose feel like say mightyful and powerful. Here Rose said to me in the house that before Rose move out of the scheme. That me say never know say then throw Rose out of scheme. Me don't know nothing because me malice everybody. Me did malice Rose figure it out of Hakim. Me didn't use nobody at all. Me did stay to myself. When me in the house, Rose said to me say, oh Dyma, right now spicy chew under your bus, your mouth. And you have to go pick a side, you know, Dyma. Because me not go want you around me. If you're spicy, your friend. Because me know my business go out. Me look for Rose and head to foot. And me say, and spicy come suck me and walk off. You see, if I walk off, I don't look back for Rose. I go around and me yard, my malice Rose figure it out of Hakim. Because me did have to say the three of them a chat me. When me move, everybody go help Rose, nobody not help me. Me not look over Rose, me leave Rose alone. All the time I text Rose and when the England people give me the message, them, me send it to Rose. And me say to Rose, Rose can't revolve around TikTok. You have to put yourself out on the street because TikTok, at some point, TikTok will go end. I look me they look out for your girl. And you go call me Judas. And everything when me tell you real. And you go malice before a man never fuck your Rose. Remember Hakim never fuck your Rose? None of them never fuck with. Figure it out never fuck me and Hakim never fuck you. And we all know that. You see, if it was a case was a man and fuck you like all if I went drinks now, and you have up my feet, I could have sit you. But me I tell you the truth. And anybody if hate me and Hakim, because I make Hakim business can tell you. When a Christmas day, we never supposed to over my Airbnb. Hakim supposed to rent one Airbnb. For the whole 4 we go there. For sleep over. When I look Hakim rent one Airbnb, remember say me, remember say my gift to buy me. Remember say me supposed to do my, remember say no, me never supposed to team up with Rose if do nothing, you know. Remember say my gift to buy me, my sister, Jaja Storm, and figure it out with 4 pajama them, with Christmas tree, with plate, with table, with everything. And when me and Jaja Storm and my sister so we do for Christmas, then Hakim say, well, if we do it in a one. Right? And me pay everything. And me pay the chef. Me pay the chef for the food, and me pay for decoration, and me pay for everything. Me pay for everything. Me pay for everything if you never know. I was so pissed off because everything went just off. The vibe just off. Me couldn't bother. Me just couldn't take it no more. When I not talk about how my face hang down, me just couldn't take the whole entire fakeness. Because we are going each other head. Everybody has said, so behind each other back. And if me just can't play it no more. Because they nyam me inside. That's why my maga so. Because they nyam me inside. Because I look out for all your rose. And you tell me I do this and I chat me with man we never fuck you. None of we never get no fuck yet. So when the people come here and talk all these things, none of we never get no fuck. I figure it out never fuck me. And Hakim never fuck Rose. None of we never get no fuck. It's just a fucking series. None of we not get no fuck. So imagine you can sell out one friend for one man who never fuck you yet. When they look out for you and tell you the truth. You beg the man fuck and the man want done with you beg him fuck. Eh? I must cuss up and squeeze the back and say leave the man because the man saying go down you call back my name. I never afraid of Hakim. I tell Hakim say yes, me tell you. It costs one judgment and then outside. It costs Hakim to move out and figure it out. Because Hakim say figure it out at us and you can figure it out, come back and tell me and me tell you. And by right, that's true. That's why I figure it out have me up to come and chat too much. But true me enough.